crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more.
At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team,
Ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal. Anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer, not financial advice. We're not liable for any personal financial decisions. This is just meant to be for entertainment purposes only. Welcome on in, everybody, to the Blockchain Brew. I'm your host today. Yes, I know you're going to get my ugly face again because Trent's not here. And so we're going to knock this weekly close out, guys. If you haven't already, please smash that golden like button, guys. Smash, 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 smash. We also have the subscribe bell right here. Your ring-a-ding-ding and your ring-a-ding-ding. And you can find us over there on YouTube and Kick. And over there on Rumble. We're also over there on Rumble. We try to go all natural. Guys, over there on X. Smash that heart if you over there on X. Let's get into it, guys. Boom. Throw up some charts at Bitcoin News. What do we have going for us? Gotta swing on over here. Welcome in, Axe 221, Mr. John 316, Donovan himself. Guys, I have the Legion Space Test today. Again, with a little ASMR pop, because we're the most hydrated crypto community out on the interweb. Which a beautiful ASMR pop that was. Indubitably. Let's go the banner up. But banner, I don't think we have any interesting news, but we'll take a peek. Bitcoin needs a 6.24% boost, or it ends 2025 lower than the start of the year. Oh, that's actually pretty crazy. I didn't even really think about that. Zoom juice. No, this is the serpent juice, John. Zoom juice is the caffeine. Price must rally 6 point blah, 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 blah. Above the 92,374 recorded at the start of January to the end of the year higher, according to the market analyst Nick Prickrin. 3 days for the Bitcoin to recover and close up to the year. If not, this will be the first post-halving year we close in the red. 6.24% required to make this green candle, Prickrin said. That's actually pretty quite wild. Pretty quick Quinn wild. Although several analysts forecast Bitcoin price targets between 180 and 250,000 by the year of 2025, macroeconomic headwinds and price took a shock from October historic flash crash or have caused BTC to decline by about 30% from the all-time high of 125,000. Investors and analysts are now watching for signs of further price decline in 2026, or if easing liquidity conditions will drive BTC to a new all-time highs in the new year. Maria Asset talks to by Korean crypto exchange Corbit. I don't know what the Corbit is. We will probably skip it until something else further happens of interest. Bitmine begins talk staking ETH deposits of 219 million into Ethereum's POS contract, proof of stake contract. I don't know if that's super important, so we'll probably head on over to Bubbles and we're gonna check out the charts, guys, because we want to start some streaming ASAP as fast as not streaming, charting ASAP. Quacker. DCA and pray, bear market party. Bear market is here, guys. What is up? You know, I hate to be the bearish guy on the channel DCA, but I think so, man. I think so. And in fact, I was talking to Tom Crown, and he says he's pretty bearish. He thinks the Clarity Act is pretty negative. It's not going to do anything. And I was just looking at the Genius Act. It's not supposed to go in effect until 2027. I'm like, what the hell? Why do we have that happening? You know? Oh, you guys noticed that the beginning of the show, I was pretty quiet because I left my mic unplugged. I was sitting there, I was like, oh, I gotta go plug this in. I'm like, where's my headset at? Oh. Okay, we come on over. We're taking a look at chart CC. Canon Network. Man, they're freaking on fire. And Pippin's down. Heading over to weeks. Flow's down again. Oh, gosh, Flow just can't get a break. Thought I was doing pretty better today. Nope, it was fake out. Lower it goes. People are not happy about the hack. Dumping the bags. Oh, terribleness. Terribleness. I kind of want to take a look at this data, guys. We're kind of on over to Bitcoin on the monthly returns. We're at negative 3%. Where are we at? In 2017, we did 2021. 2020 was really good. But 2020 was good. 2021 is terrible. It's actually funny that we were having like possibly one of the worst Bitcoin after parties ever for the ending of the new year from where we started at. But if you actually look at December, we're not that bad. Only negative 3% currently. Not that terrible. Where's the weekly returns? I'll take a peek. Let's take a peek at this. What's the bar to slide up and down, up and down? Come on. Well, this is weeks, right? How do I get to the beginning of the weeks? How do you slide, man? Oh, there it is. Whoa. I think I have to zoom out because like I can't see the top and the bar at the same time. Okay, cool. We slide out. Can you guys see this? Maybe I slide in one more. No, it doesn't want me to do any more. Okay. We'll just do our best then. So 2025, first week was negative 3.8% of the year. We had a good second week. Third week was just slightly above even. Yeah, I was gonna skip it because I decided that it wasn't overly entertaining. Okay, let's go to the charts. Oh, there we go. We tried to be in it more entertaining. It didn't pan out in our favor. What's up, Vision? LOL at Axe losing. Man, I think it might be a bear market, man. I do. I just think that we might have some lower pain and some of that signals that we have for Bitcoin. We've talked about this several different times. This is one of the things I was talking to Tom Crown about is we have 3 days on the 3-month close, 3 days at 102. So we know the next candle is going to be red. We for sure have bearish divergence to a swing up, to a swing down. It just looks nasty, man. So, I mean, the one thing though, with the 3-month, we don't have a lot of data to go with, I guess, but you can clearly see that was pretty nasty right there. We did probably have a Jesus take the wheel to the downside. One of the reasons that we went down last time, maybe. Monthly is looking pretty nasty. DBSI 1819 saying that DBSI saying we shall get another red candle. We are rejecting currently off the 21. Everything looks momentum going down. You know, red dot going down, VWAP going down, money flow tilting downwards. Stokes RSI strength going down. The bear market has already been in full force of a year. Yes. Well, you can't really say full force because we did have an all-time high on Bitcoin this year. Now the alts, they had a rally. They didn't hit, most of them didn't hit all-time highs. Like XRP, Hedera, a lot of the ISOs did really well. Cardano only went to like $1.20, I think. If we close this monthly candle red, then next year is green. You think so? You really think next year's gonna be green? I hope so, man. I really would love to see it be green. For this channel's sake and not losing my mind talking about the bear market for another year and just be like, yes, this is the year we're supposed to be doing good. Cycles don't matter anymore. Never did. You know, I think you're right. I think cycles don't matter. In fact, there's some theories I've even talked to about that cycles are really debt-based cycles, not crypto halving cycles. So, you know, maybe it's just a different type of cycle. We have 4 to a 6 on DBSI. We want to reject off the 50. Normally, we fall through the 50, and then we have several months of working our way back up there. So I guess we shall see. We shall see. The weekly, though, we have a double green dot, so possibly a trend reversal. You know, there is some manipulation going on the 3-day. Money flow is still going down. Stokes RSI iffy. Oh, this is the candle that we're going to come into. Interesting. We do have a doji candle, though. It's not bad. Doji candle, signs of trend reversal. It's when the body and the wick is a tiny body and the wicks are even on both sides. Sign of possible reversal coming in. We shall take a look-see at it. We don't get the 8-day data anytime soon. The 5-day and the 8-day are aligning. 3-day, we happen tomorrow. We are below the 200 currently on the 3-day. It's kind of a scary sign. It shows that we want to keep pump. We have double green dot with momentum coming on in still. Same thing with the 2-day. 2-day's trying to get above the 21 MA. We get 2-day data. We do get some 2-day data today. Something's the matter with my DBSIs. Something's the matter with them. I don't know. I'm going to turn them off right now because I don't want to take the time to go figure out what the hell's going on with them. So I'm just going to turn them off. It's okay. We don't need the DBSIs. I'll fix that later. I don't know why they're whacking and doing right now. Maybe one of my kids got to the computer and messing with it. We do have a good anchor dot right there for a long signal. 1 fake out, 2 fake outs coming on in. 12-hour on BTC. Trying to get above the 21, man. We do have the anchor trigger waves. It wants to rise. It really, really does. We'll have to wait and see how this all plays out. It's interesting data, man. 4-hour doji candle. Rejection off the 21. 1 hour. We actually are living, man. They're like, we won't close weak. We will finish strong with all the 21, 50, and the 200 right there. Super, super, super tight. You know, it's hard to tell if it wants to bust out. We did break through the 50 and the 21, but we're rejection off the 200. The problem is if you go down any little bit lower, you go right below the other time frames. Not super great, to be honest with you. 50-minute, dude. Look at that, dude. Bull flag. Bull flag pumping out of it. Let's go, man. Let's finish this strong. Let's get after it. We got 2 minutes to go. Let's get a higher high. You know, you got the same cup and handy right there. Boom. Let's break out, man. If that happens, measure move of the cup and handle. With hacking the sheet candles, points gives us a higher high at $87,960. Keep going, you 5-minute. You can do it. Do it for us. 1 minute wants to pump. Just keep going. Don't fall for the FUD. Keep on pumping. We got 1 minute 30 seconds happening till we get that close. Guys, are you excited to see Trent? I should put a poll up. We're gonna watch this candle, and I'm gonna put a poll up. We got a minute and a half watching this weekly close. We don't get the 2 week till next week, right? Yeah. Okay, let's put a poll up. Put a poll into the chat. Are you excited to have Trent Nator back tomorrow? Tomorrow? Question mark. Trent Nator. All right, what we got? Yeah, what's up, Crypto Mine? Yo, 64, man. It's a great number, dude. Makes me think of my Nintendo N64. Got 25 seconds left. Come on, BTC, do something. It's trying, man. If we were just there in the 5 minutes. We got 20 seconds left. It's not going to give us enough data. I can't scroll that fast. Okay, we'll go back. But it was trying the 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour. Come on, try break a higher high. We got this. Get that same cup and handy moving. 5. So I was rocking my camera. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Let's get that candle data coming out, guys. Let's get it. Oh, no. More red. 21 came down a little lower. But this is a magnet, man. We do magnet back towards that. And you know what else? we did get a little bit of curvature in the momentum right there, just slightly. It just takes slightly. VWAP is breaking up. Money flow is still outflowing. Stokes RSI and strength have started a slight curvature in the trend pattern. You know, this could be bullish. This could be good. I'm a little nervous on how flat the momentum is, but it's trying, man. We could take this. We could take this and run to the bank as long as we can make a high. Don't come up and make a lower high, man. We want to make a higher high. That's what we want to do. I guess we could do some consolidation. We could go like this, bounce up, hit our numbers. We come down here. We could do this, I guess. That's possible as a last resort. I would take that 100%. If we can get that, that's good. Get a little consolidation going on at this level. Good little support. Yes, I hope we can get that. That would be sick. We don't got the 3-day today. We did get the 2-day though. The 2-day candle. Oh, a little bit of green. A little bit of green off the bat. Not so bad. Oop, just drew a little dumb yellow line. A little dumb yellow line. A little bit of green. Rejection off the 21 right there. Or actually, 1, 2. Let's get that one. 3, 4 rejections off it. The momentum's still good. Just barely negative 41 to 42. The bulls are in the lead. Stokes RSI are low with the strength. Trying to do something. The VWAP is slightly above the 0 line at a 1. We also have money flow just slightly ticked up too on the 2-day. What's the 1-day doing? 1 day. 1 day's looking okay, man. Not a whole. Actually, I think it does look bullish, but I mean bullish to 88,700, which you know what's that? Momentum coming up. Come on, man, let's do it. Dude, it's sliding on that 21. Look at that, dude. I would like for it to slide up above the 21. It needs to get above it. It has to get above it. 12 hours crucial. 4 hour. 4 hours good, man. That was a good, strong 4 hour. We come back off that red. Trigger. We have a green dot right now. Trigger wave, possible move coming on in. The 1 hour. Momentum's coming up. We did not get above the 200 previous hour. We did confirm a good spot above the 50. Momentum still looks good. We just have to let this VWAP play out. We can do this. 15 minutes, still higher high. It does kind of look like a snake pattern though, man, where it kind of wants to go up and make a snake pattern. Hopefully it can break out of it, but if not, the likelihood of us breaking down is becoming more increased. What's the 5-minute saying? Doji candle. Oh no, not a double top scenario. Breakdown. We test the 200. I can live with that. Make a Sammy cup in handy. Make a Sammy come in handy. What do we got going on for everything else? Let's take a look at. Love to take a look at silver. Wow, look at silver. Holy smokes, dude. Silver was at 80, 82, 83. Oh my goodness. Silver breaking back up, man. We hit up to 83 bucks. That's wild. Absolutely wild. Gold, this crash on the 5-minute. Oof, look at that going below the 200. But silver is still doing strong. It crashed. It's still only at the 21 right now. Holy smokes. What's up, Joe? How you doing, good sir? Welcome on in, Mr. Trade Intuition. Guys, if you haven't already, go follow Trade Intuition. He puts out some alpha. He's my dude. Did you say something? The scamming cup in handy? I did, dude. I did. It is catchy to say. It is catchy. Ugh. Oh, man. Where are we at, guys? Let's take a look at total market cap on the weekly time frame. If we did get our first green dot in some months, man, on the total market cap, is this the bottom, man? Is this the time for crypto to start its reversal? Very interesting to see that on total. Did we get that in all 3 time frames? We have not concluded that for the total alts, but for a crypto altogether, it does have it. So it's probably pretty close to there. Where is ETH? Ethereum. Ethereum's got its second green dot. That's pretty good, man. That's a strong signal right there. Strong signal for a pump. It's eyeballing, man. That 3,800 level, man. Is that gonna be the top? I don't really know. Now, the bearish divergence did definitely play out in the monthly time frames for Ethereum with the swing up to a swing down. Now, the question is this the bottom, man? Rejection off the 51s, maybe twice. VWAP doing its thing. What's the 2-day say? 2-day data. We're trying to get some momentum going, man. It has not gotten the bullish sign to say go, 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 go. Just no, 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 no. Consolidating. There's your high. There's a high, a low. And we're kind of doing the zigzag pattern. Zigzagging. We're zigging and we're zagging. What's Sol doing? It's been a while since we've taken a look at Solana. Coming on the weekly time frame. Weekly. Oh, we do got that green dot over on Solana too. Very nice. Ethereum and Solana's got it for the first time in a long time. We're at a good little support level too. Right here. Let's pop a little. Bada bing. Ah! I just pulled up something over here. How the heck did I do that? I'm still hitting the wrong button, I guess. Close that window down. I thought I hit it. So this one? Oh, no, I guess it was that one. Whoops, I was in the wrong key. We're playing around this teeter-tottering at this level. We're touching the 100-day. Right now, green dot, curvature to the up. Okay, we could take that. She just take the wheel pattern coming in right now on the momentum. VWAP, Stokes, RSI strength are coming on in. It is suggesting, guys, we will have a good week for the Solana institution. Solana is going to pump. Let's get that pump-mentals going in. I'm hitting all sorts of wrong buttons today. Just crazy, man. What else do we have going for us? How's our Cardano community, guys? Is everybody excited to see Cardano pump? I'm excited for it. Man, it was a big week for crypto. Double green dots, guys. These big green dots say long when the nights are the darkest. It's a good time. Stokes RSI low. VWAP starting to break back up. Very, very, very nice for Cardano. We want all the crypto communities to win, but we definitely want Cardano to start pumping, paying their dues forwards for all the poor people who've held through the bear market. We have bullish engulfing divergence right now on Cardano. Momentum still doing good. Nice for Cardano. Maybe a little bit of a retest on the 5-day. Rejection off the 50-day. That's very nice, man. Well, it looks like we're starting to flag out, man. Pump out of this, go touch the 200. We're going to touch the 200, guys. Cardano to 40 cents. Yes, on the 5-day. So we're going to project out by next week. Next week, Cardano is going to be up a little more than 10%. Get your buys orders in right now. Guys, I'm going to cover my favorite segment. Then I'm going to go cover some of the trades that we have coming in on BidFi. So, guys, bear with me. I have to shill ourselves to us. Usually Trent has to do it, but he's not here right now. If you haven't already, guys, you like to trade. Our exchange partner of choice is with BidFi. There's no KYC, no VPN. You save 20% with your trading links using our link. Right now, the event that they have running, excuse me, is a volume-based event. You do 1 million in volume, you get $129 in your trading account. 5 million in volume, you get $330 in your trading account. 20 million, 50 million, and 100 million. You get anywhere between $800, $2,500 to $10,000 into your trading account. If you do those three right there, the Raptor Blade or desktop, hit me up on X because I'll hit up to our contact over at BidFi and see if we can get you some sort of special bonus included on top of that. We can't do that for everybody, but if that is you, hit us up. If you don't like doing event-based trades, we have BTCC. They are deposit using our link, no KYC, no VPN, and you save 40% on your trading fees using our link. And right now they have a minimum of $500, upwards of $100,000. You get a $10,000 bonus to a $50 bonus. So you can do whatever the heck you feel like you're comfortable with. And we guys, trading is a dangerous game, and we just want you guys to win. So just do it smart, man. Do it smart. We all want to make gains here. All right, guys, we're going to head on over off of X. We're going to head over to the Discord, but I got to move a few screens around to be able to get there. We're going to move the screen like this. I'm going to grab this screen like there. We're going to pull it up. I'm going to click X on that. I think that's what I wanted to do. I think. Okay, we'll go ahead and on over to Blockchain Brew. Okay, so we got some new signals coming on in. There was a long setup for Cardano, long at 37, stop loss at 33, and take profit at 43. There you guys go, guys. Long setup coming in for Cardano. We were just talking about that. I didn't even look at this today. So, boom, man, they're speaking my language. Now, if you like these calls and you like these setups, jump on in to the Discord. Hit us up on next. We'll get you in for free instead of paying the $2.99. But if you want to help support the channel, you can do that too. XRP long coming on in. Entry price $1.87. The stop loss $1.82. The take profit $1.95. Guys, these signals are aggravated by the top ROI traders over there at BitFi. So, possibly, man, possibly. We have an Ethereum Classic one that also came in. Entry price 11.8, stop loss 11.5, take profit at 20.1 or 12.1. Wow. Don't listen to that first call. Whoopsie. And these are our scalp signals. We also have swing signals if you guys are interested in. Here's the Altcoin one they were talking about yesterday with the entry price 1.2, stop loss 1.1, take profit at 1.7. We might go take a look at that one. Here's your AVAX one we talked about yesterday as well, 12.5 to a stop loss 11 to a take profit 15.2. You can head on over to the general chat too, guys. You can hang out with me. I was over there drinking at a bar. Here's a cool coin that I purchased with some silver selling. It was one of my ales that we were taking a look at. It was Muffhead throwing in some alpha. Come on in and join us, man. We love having the Brew Crew be part of the show. So thank you so much, everybody. Heading back over to YouTube. Oh, not YouTube, but TradingView. I gotta move some of my signals around. Pull that one over. We're gonna pull this Discord over like this, just so you guys can't see anything. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Let's get it. I'm distracting myself. Happens to the best of us. Let's come on over to XRP. Is XRP going to get out of this slump, man? They have not gotten the green dot yet to mark the bottom. Unlike its brother or sister Cardano over there. Cardano is saying we should get a reversal. Now, are we going to get that with XRP? I really don't know. We are at a very key level of support. If we break down, there's a far way to go. Oh, man. Far way to go. We'll probably end up hitting the 200 at $1.10. But, man, I really hope we don't go down there. But there's a possibility we do. And if we do, we're dollar cost average in. Man, the 3-day is coming on to the 200 perfectly. Perfect. Double green dots. Stokes RSI strength, okay. VWAP's got flipping, floppeting. Money flow is still slightly down. Not the greatest sign to see. Ever since we fell through on the October 10th, we crashed through the 21, through the 50, and we've been below everything. 2-day coming on in, the double green dot momentum trying to get that curvature it needs to come back up. We have a price target of $2 on the table for XRP, which brings it in about 10% gains right along its sister Cardano. Cardano is also eyeballing 10% gains this week. Taking a look at everything right now. 12-hour currently below the 21. 21 is having some curvature to the upside. Take a look at Ondo. Who holds Ondo in the chat? Does everybody love Ondo? RWA for the win. We have, what is this? What is this? This is bullish momentum, swing down to swing up. Oh, we do have some bullish momentum on Ondo, and it came back up to the 21. Nice. Can we hold above it? That would be the greatest Christmas end of New Year's gift we can get for those Ondo holders out there. Money flow has been coming on in. I think it is likely that we will continue to bounce up and eyeball the 200 moving average, which will get you almost a 20% gain on your Ondo holdings, probably by the end of next week. So if anybody who's holding Ondo, this is looking pretty good, man. Pretty snazzy. I'm a snazzy guy, dude. If you're a snazzy guy, you like this too. Oh, look at the 1 hour too. Tight anchor trigger wave. VWAP coming up. Money flow looking good. Stokes RSI. Oh, fire. Absolutely money. I gotta close this out because it should be open. I want to check over here on the trade. Guys, you've gotten the likes up to the watchers. Thank you so much for the help supporting the channel. Every single one of you that comes on in and helps gets this action moving. We appreciate it. Let's come over to one of my favorites, the Crow fam, the Crow family. Man, we have not gotten our green dot unlike Cardano and XRP. It is trying. It is trying. I would like to say that we'll come up to the 200 moving day average at 11.5 cents, but we don't know what we don't know. 5-day trying to do it too, man. It wants to come up to that 10-cent level, you know. 3-day wants to start a reversal. The 2-day wants to start the green dot reversal. It's trying. The daily's been trying. We've been beaten down so hard. Is it time for CRO to make some moves, man? Momentum to come in on the daily. View kind of curvature to the downside. Everything else has some curvature to the downside. 12-hour looks the exact same as the daily. The 4-hour. Oh, man. You got to hold above that 21, Crow. You got to do it, man. It's been flipping, flopping, anchor trigger on every other time frame. Ugh. It's just terrible. Absolutely terrible. BNB. Here's one of the BNB is one of the ones that made an all-time high this year. Right, it looks like it has a quadruple bottom, man. Momentum coming on in. View up trying to do. Strength Stokes RSI. Look pretty good. 4-hour. It kind of looks like a Sammy Cup and Handy kind of type of vibes to it. Money flow is doing good. View up's okay. Stokes RSI are good. Strength is very iffy. It's trying, man. It's the fact that we're still trying to pump up off this candle. And the fact this candle closed green looks pretty good. Regular candles does kind of look like a little bit of a cup and handle. Very macro, but possibility, man. It does want to touch that 200. Hopefully we get that higher high that we're eyeballing. 200 is at 869, which is not a huge move for finance to be able to do on the 4-hour. Did it have a weekly bullishness? We also don't have the double green dot. That's kind of interesting. Very bizarre. The weekly Sweet though. Sweet's had it, man. Sweet's had its weekly double green dot, and it wants to move, man. You got the green dot on the 3-day doji candle, trend reversal, 2-day looking good. Who's out there? Should we long Sweet together, guys? Should we long Sweet? I'm feeling like a Sweet long. It must happen. The daily's also looking pretty dang good, man. 12-hour, we are closing above the 21. Let's get on top of that. 4-hour. And we've been bullish. Money flow has been coming on in. Bounce off the 50 EMA. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Let's get after that buck 51 level. Can we do it, guys? Yes, we can. Absolutely. 1-hour anchor trigger wave dot. Let's go, man. Let's get after it, dude. Absolutely. And guys, we're going to wrap it up here because, you know, I got some family over and we're just enjoying life, man. He is from out of state. He works at Morgan Stanley, and we are just hitting it up, having a good time, just talking about stocks and crypto. And I'm trying to get him on the crypto train, and he's trying to get me on the stock train. So we're going to go hash it out, man. But thank you for everybody who tuned in to the Blockchain Brews. So thank you so much, John. Thank you so much. Or Donovan. Thank you so much, DCA Brave. Vision Pulse Fat Boy. Thank you. Thank you. Crypto Mind. Thank you for coming on in. Joe from Trade Intuition. Guys, go follow him too, because he puts out some alpha if you haven't already. And Daily, where the heck are you, man? I haven't seen you posting your brews in the Discord. Are you just having sober December, drinking some water, hanging out with the family? We'll see, man. All right, guys, catch you on the flippity flop. Enjoy it. It's always a pleasure to come in and look at the weekly close, and we'll be covering this all week long. And I'm so excited to have Trent here tomorrow. So, guys, stay blessed. Brew Crew is out. Trent, I love our community. They are growing and they got our backs, and I can't wait to have you be here tomorrow so I can put some chapstick on instead of talking.